So the first topic I covered. If you change every day by 1%, by 1%, okay? Hurry, 1% change is very simple. Very simple. Every day I'm going, okay, to the office, at least 20 minutes delay or 10 minutes delay. Okay. Don't take 10 minutes delay. Just in that 1% means, okay, sometime, maybe at least 1 minute early, I will go. 1 minute early, I will go. Automatically, do you know, if you repeat this pattern for 1 month, then you will be in time. Why? You are very hurry and full rush and with full speed, you are going to the office. BP is going to be raised. Mental pleasantness won't be there. Okay, instead of that, 5 minutes before only, in full relaxed mode, if you go, pleasant mind will be there. Happily you can work with full joy. Just a very the difference is starting few minutes early. Don't rush your life. Okay, something like it's also one habit. So going a bit early with a relaxed mode. There are some people are there. Waiting for bus. Bus also came. He won't enter into the bus. Once the bus started, then he will run and he will catch the bus. In cinemas, it's acceptable, but in day-to-day life, it's not going to be acceptable. If you are feeling tension, if you are feeling pressure, if you are feeling a bit tense, pressure, okay? So, if you are feeling hurry, rush, your lifetime by default is going to be down, is going to be reduced. Remember that BP, sugar, these kind of things are main reason for your pressure, or main reason, okay, because of your pressure, because of your tension, these kind of things. Always with relaxed mind, always with relaxed mood, always run slow life, don't rush life, don't speed life. Get that thing? So 1%, if you improve every day in a year, 37 times your growth will be there. 37 times. But you require to improve only 1% every day. Just a simple friend. 1 minute every day night. Think about 1 minute. 1 minute. Don't take much time. Today, morning to evening, I did these activities. Well, excellent. So, can I do tomorrow 1% better than today? Is there any chance? Think about that. Okay, today I didn't behave properly with customer. Okay, tomorrow make sure with every customer I will talk with respect and politeness. Excellent.